For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Getting car insurance as an 18-year-old can be expensive due to lack of driving history and higher perceived risk. However, with the help of artificial intelligence, AI, you could dramatically reduce costs by using smart tools, price comparison engines, behavioral tracking apps, and automation. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Step 1. Understand what affects car insurance costs for 18-year-olds. Before diving into AI solutions, you should understand what factors make insurance expensive at this age. Lack of driving experience. High-risk age bracket, under 25. A little to no credit history. Choice of vehicle. Driving record, if any. Zip code and accident rates in your area. Coverage level and deductible amounts. AI tools can help analyze and mitigate these risk factors. Step 2. Use AI-powered insurance comparison tools. Start your search using AI-driven insurance comparison platforms. These tools analyze your personal details and driving profile, then match you with the cheapest options in seconds. Top AI-powered comparison tools. Jerry.ai uses machine learning to compare quotes from 50-plus providers in seconds. Gabi, AI-based agent that monitors your policy and shops for better rates continuously. The Zebra offers side-by-side comparisons tailored with AI. Insurify, AI recommends the best carriers based on your risk profile and history. Steps to use them. 1. Go to the site or app. 2. Input your basic info, car, zip code, driving status. 3. Use filters to narrow down to minimum coverage, student discounts, or usage-based policies. 4. Let the AI generate and sort options by price, coverage, or ratings. 5. Pick 3 to 5 low-cost quotes and verify them on the official insurer's website. Step 3. Opt for usage-based or telematics insurance with AI tracking. Many insurers now offer usage-based insurance, UBI, programs that track your driving habits using an app or device powered by AI. If you're a safe driver, you'll get significant discounts, sometimes up to 30 to 40%. Popular AI-powered UBI programs. Progressive Snapshot. Geico Drive Easy. State Farm Drive Safe and Safe. Allstate DriveWise. Root Insurance. A mobile-based insurer that bases premiums solely on driving behavior. How it works. 1. Download the app or plug in the tracking device. 2. The AI monitors habits like speed, braking, phone use, time of day, and mileage. 3. After a trial period, 2 to 4 weeks, it adjusts your premium. 4. Safe drivers get cheaper insurance, even as teenagers. Step 4. Use AI to choose the right vehicle. The type of car you drive significantly affects your insurance cost. AI-based vehicle recommendation tools can help you choose a model that's cheaper to insure. Use platforms like Edmunds or CarEdge with AI filters for low insurance cost. Chatbots on dealership sites that recommend budget-friendly vehicles for teens. ChatGPT or Claude AI to list and compare cars with low insurance rates for 18-year-olds. Look for smaller, older sedans or compact cars. Cars with high safety ratings. Low theft rates. Lower engine power. Avoid sports cars. New, expensive vehicles. SUVs and trucks with high repair costs. Step 5. Find and stack discounts using AI suggestions. AI platforms can help you uncover discounts that often go unnoticed. For 18-year-olds, these include good student discount. Maintain a GPA of 3.0 plus. Driver's ed or defensive driving course. Take an AI-assisted online course like Aceable or driversed.com. Multi-car discount, if you're on a family policy. Bundling discount, bundle auto with renters or home insurance. Pay in full discount, pay 6-month premium upfront. Use chatbots or AI policy advisors like Lemonade or Policy Genius to identify which discounts apply to your profile. Step 6. Let AI monitor and reshop your policy automatically. Prices can change every 6 to 12 months. AI tools can reshop and alert you when better deals appear. Use these tools. Gabi, automatically scans for better deals before renewal. Jerry cancels your old policy and switches you automatically. Zebra's Autopilot monitors market rates year-round. By letting AI monitor the market, you can lock in lower premiums without lifting a finger. Step 7. Consider being added to a parent's policy. While not always an AI-specific tactic, platforms like Jerry or Insurify will often suggest this during quote generation if it's cheaper. You'll benefit from your parents' longer driving record and possibly lower risk profile. AI will help you simulate costs as a solo driver versus being added to an existing plan. Step 8. Use AI chat assistants to customize coverage. Avoid overpaying for coverage you don't need. Use AI insurance agents or even ChatGPT to walk through. State minimum requirements. What you can skip, e.g., rental reimbursement. Deductible adjustments to lower premiums. Risk trade-offs of going with minimum versus full coverage. Customizing coverage through AI tools ensures you're not blindly selecting high-cost plans. Step 9. Build a digital driving resume with AI dashcams. Install a smart dashcam with AI features like Nexar or Garmin. These tools can record your safe driving, provide video proof in case of accidents, help prove your innocence, and keep premiums low. Track behavior over time for UBI programs. Upload your stats to insurers who accept this kind of documentation, especially smaller AI-friendly insurers like Root or ClearCover. Step 10. Ask AI for state-specific strategies. Insurance laws and costs vary by state. Ask an AI assistant to analyze the best insurers in your area. Identify the cheapest state minimum coverage. Recommend states where insurance is cheapest if you're planning to move. Just say, which car insurance companies offer the cheapest rates for 18-year-olds in state? Or, show me state minimum coverage costs in Florida for an 18-year-old. This can fine-tune your savings by geography. Conclusion. Using AI to get cheap car insurance at 18 isn't just smart, it's necessary. Instead of manually hunting for quotes or relying on traditional agents, leverage the power of AI to do the heavy lifting. AI comparison tools, telematics, driving behavior tracking, smart vehicle selection, automatic discount hunting, and intelligent policy management can collectively save hundreds, if not thousands, per year. Start by using AI platforms like Jerry, Gabi, and Insurify. Pair those with safe driving, good grades, and the right vehicle. Monitor your policy using AI automation, and don't be afraid to switch insurers when AI alerts you of a better option. By taking these steps, you can prove to insurers and to yourself that being young doesn't have to mean paying more. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.